channel. Today I'm gonna explain you my project, which are based on the AI student AI based upon a prediction and counseling system. This project actually work for that student who gonna detain in their final examination, and they don't have any chances to be on a similar track like they can pass the exam. Uh, to overcome that problem, we've chosen this problem which are posed by the government of Rajasthan. So I wanted to show my the a small prototype of this project. This is my UI, and suppose we have the both option, like in a separate spreadsheet we have a fees details, we have a marks detail, we have a attendance detail. But if we have in combined sheet, we can upload it here. So through the we browse, we just select the student data set in the form of CSV file. We just upload it here, and from prepare to train our model, we need to click on the button of train. And then if you wanted to run the prediction, just click on this step. Now our prediction will run. Out of the 1000 students, 151 students are in high risk, 448 students are in medium risk, and 401 students are in low risk. Uh, Through our UI, you can also select whose students are in this criteria. So here is our full chart and all the risk indicators. In our project, you got like green dot. It means the student have in low risk criteria. If you seeing the yellow dot, means the student is in medium risk criteria. And if the indicator shows the red dot, it means the students are falling in the high risk criteria. After all of this, you if you wanted to send an alert to their guardian or their mentors, just need to send the email button. If you click on this button, the student of their parents and guardians got their emails why their student can drop out from the final examination. And in the second section, you may see now this thing, student profile. If you wanted to check a particular student profile, you just need to click on the student profile, and you can check, you can select whatever student. Let me give you an example. I wanted to check a profile of the student number 5. We just see this. The student number 5 profile ID is this 5, attendance is 72.2%, and current average of a marks is 85. It means the student fall in the low risk criteria. There is no chance of dropout in a final examination according to the previous analysis. And you may seen two charts of in this UI. Performance analysis, attendance trend, and academic performance trend. Attendance trend shows the month wise how the student falling in this criteria or not. And this academic performance trend means if you evaluate two examination, the graph of the student is increasing or decreasing. It's depend on the how it perform in their examination. Risk factor is identified, some risk factor. Maybe in future, low attendance is marked during this thing. We need to overcome this solution. We use the hybrid future engineering. In hybrid future engineering, we use two type of prediction model: rule based engineering and decision tree algorithm. Through the decision tree algorithm, if we upload any kind of data set in our project, it will store in database, and decision tree train themselves from that data set. And rule based engineering will fix some criteria through which they can identify the indicators. During the time of prediction, the both models shows their result, and that result is more accurate. That will show, it means the accuracy of this model is approx 99%. There is no chance of the lag in any kind of in any kind of various factor. If you see the intervention factor is the most important factor is in this, because you may if you wanted to counsel that student why they can drop out in their final examination, you just need, if you wanted to it is from the mentor side. If he wanted to meet that student, they just need some notes why the student can drop out in their final examination. They just schedule You can schedule an intervention that's scheduled, and the mail was sent to that student. They need to meet at that time with their particular mentor, particular guardian. They can evaluate why they can be dropout, and they will prevent them. In this trend analysis, you just seen the how it will work. Risk distribution in this factor. If we take an example of a small college, like a student of one student in strength of that college is 1,000. The 40% of the student are lies in the low risk criteria, means it's a good number. But the 15.1% student can be lie in the criteria of high risk. They can drop out. And some more graphical representation, you may clearly see the number of students can drop out in their final examination. Uh, I wanted to explain why this model is beneficial. This model is beneficial because in India, every year 30% of a college student can drop out in their final examination. And during that time, they can't do anything because the final midterm examination will be done. They don't have any second chance. But due to this project, 15.3 to 15.5% student can be betterize their daily life, daily endurance, and all these things, because failure is a very big thing, and most of the student can't deal with this situation. Thank you. This project is very helpful for the student who drop out in their final examination.